That incredibly costly era of trying to boil the ocean with AI, it's over.
Did those massive 2024 and 2025 AI investments actually deliver ROI? For most executives, the honest answer is no.
We tried re-engineering whole departments at once. It's literally trying to boil the ocean, prioritizing massive scale over utility.
The fallout? Disruptive 18-month roadmaps that terrified teams, burned millions, and yielded absolutely zero actual workflow improvements.
Enter the AI Microburst, a targeted, surgical intervention designed to solve one specific pain point, completely skipping massive transformations.
We're abandoning sweeping, abstract models. Microbursts demand surgical, laser-focused precision applied directly to your exact operational bottlenecks.
Forget that terrifying black box automation. Microbursts thrive on transparent human stewardship. We're empowering your employees, not replacing them.
By ditching those risky rip-and-replace tactics, your time to impact violently shrinks from 18 agonizing months to just weeks.
This powers a repeatable methodology we call the Velocity Engine. 4 simple steps: identify, deploy, measure, and scale. First up, identify. We tap into the psychological power of your team's hunch to spot high-value, low-barrier opportunities. Second is deploy. We inject AI surgically into that one specific task, leaving the surrounding legacy processes entirely untouched.
Step 3, measure. We instantly track speed, compliance, and consistency to absolutely prove the exact ROI of our intervention.
Finally, scale. Expand horizontally across different teams or go vertical to conquer much deeper, more complex workflow layers. Driving this whole methodology is our technical authority and rapid integration layer, the aime engine.
Think of aime as your connective brain layer, smoothly automating routine functions without demanding a massive platform overhaul. Crucially, aime respects your sunk costs. It integrates flawlessly with legacy platforms like Salesforce, Oracle, and Google Cloud. Financially, these small surgical wins compound incredibly fast, generating exponential returns way quicker than waiting on one massive project.
That compounding momentum literally transforms your skeptical operation into a highly profitable, fully microburst-powered enterprise.
So, we invite you to turn your very first hunch into a production-ready AI engine in 90 days. Boiling the ocean is over. What process do you feel is ripe for enhancement today? What's your hunch?